everybody, welcome to this YouTube channel. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you're not new, you're welcome. I got this product from Oriflame, Sweden. Love a natural product, but the brand is Oriflame, and this is their purifying toner. This is their mattifying face lotion, and the next one is going to be the purifying face oil. They're all infused with tea tree, organic tea tree, and lime. It also has like salicylic acid, which helps with blemishes. This is what it looks like when you want to use it. You have to cap up the seal to use it. This product is infused with tea tree. I've already mentioned the tea tree essential oil, and also it has lime. These two ingredients help to remove the impurities in your skin, leaving the skin perfectly cleansed, toned, and purified. It also helps to minimize the appearance of the pores and even contains salicylic acid that helps to control blemishes. This doesn't really have a bad smell, it just smells like lime mixed with sugar, and it also smells like tuna. At first this is my first time using a toner, so I got confused if to use to wash the face or if to use with a cotton pad, but then I went to their instruction and it was said to use with a cotton pad. The instructions given for this oil is for you to use it on the affected areas, that's the blemishes affected areas, and only when you see it coming out. I don't think it's what you should be using every day because tea tree is kind of harsh, but I'm very certain that they blended it in. For me, as a very stubborn headed person, I just like to apply it all over my face because I feel like I have some kind of rashes. So this tea tree infused oil it also has salicylic acid, the same with all the ingredients, but what this does is that it helps to purify and soothe the affected areas while working to tone and tighten the pores of your skin. So I tried as much as possible to put on the oil first because I saw that this has a mattifying effect. So if I put this on first before putting the oil, then the mattifying effect is not going to work. So me having brains, I put on the oil first. So this, as you can see, is well sealed already. So I have to tear off the metal from that is I can't remember what they call it, but I have to pull off the seal and use it. So that's what the texture looks like. And this also has the same ingredient with the rest, and what this does is to control the excess release of sebum and oil, and helps to mattify your skin, purify your skin, and give you a very shine free skin. For someone like me, this is exactly what I need because I am always very shiny everywhere I go. Someone just commented on my picture that it looked like I fell into oil. So that's my face. So if you have an oily skin, I would recommend this product for you. It's very affordable. It's quite affordable for the things that it does and the feeling on my face. Well, this is my first time of trying it out, and I'm going to try it out for a full good week and give you guys a feedback of this product. Please, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, and also leave a comment below telling me if you enjoyed this video, if you want me to do any other video, and also don't forget to share. Give this video